Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine says more than 70 AI-enabled systems are striking battlefield targets as it seeks computer vision across all frontline drones. Ukraine's defense forces are already using more than 70 systems powered by artificial intelligence and computer vision to strike battlefield targets, according to the Ministry of Defense. The government is now seeking to equip 100% of drones operating on the front line with computer vision and AI capabilities. More than 200 Ukrainian companies currently manufacture AI-enabled drones, while the state-run Brave One market offers 46 AI solutions for military users. Those technologies include target recognition systems, optical stabilization, and automatic terminal guidance modules. The growing use of AI is changing how Ukraine employs unmanned systems across navigation, target identification, and engagement. The ministry said algorithms are increasingly taking on combat functions, although a human operator retains the final decision on target selection and engagement. Computer vision allows drones to navigate without satellite positioning by comparing terrain and landmarks with stored maps. The approach is designed to maintain positioning during both day and night operations when GPS signals are unavailable. Neural networks can also analyze imagery to detect equipment and personnel, while computer vision can maintain a lock on a target during the final approach. That allows a drone to continue towards the target autonomously after communications with its operator are disrupted by electronic warfare. The ministry said AI is increasingly being used across the kill chain, including detection, identification, engagement, and assessment of results. Scaling those capabilities depends heavily on access to large volumes of verified battlefield data for training and validating algorithms. More than 100 Ukrainian companies have received access to Brave One data room, a secure platform providing structured datasets for military AI development. The datasets cover multiple types of targets under different weather conditions, times of day, and sensor configurations, including visual and thermal imagery. Ukraine has also opened its Avengers Labs platform to domestic defense companies developing AI models for unmanned systems. The platform is built around an annotated dataset of 5 million battlefield frames, with most of the information sourced directly from the Delta combat system and continuously supplemented with new data. The dataset includes tanks, artillery, air defense systems, infantry, Shard drones, and reconnaissance UAVs. Avengers Labs currently detects 70% of enemy equipment appearing in video streams from Visi, a Delta module, with a single piece of equipment detected in 2.2 seconds, according to the ministry. The Defense Ministry also launched the Defense AI Center A1 in March to coordinate the wider adoption of artificial intelligence across the military and the ministry itself. Its projects are focused on analyzing combat data, accelerating the kill chain, and improving battlefield technologies, with some systems already being tested by military units. Please subscribe, like, share, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.